how to make and create YouTube intro video on Canva PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional intro on Canva. So first thing, go to Canva. Now log into your account and go to the top right here, click on create a design, click on video, and it will take you to this page. Now go here and scroll down like this until you find the YouTube video option. Click on see all, and now as you can see, you have many intros right here. For example, I like this one. It's so professional. As you can see, it looks so professional. And yeah, after you finish editing the text and everything, let's try, for example, how to media. Go here and click download. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.